Greetings, students. Today we'll cover Unit 1 of the Grade 12 Mathematics book. And our topic for today is sequence and series. Hopefully, by the end of this unit, you'll be able to understand what a sequence and a series is. You will compute terms of a sequence for a given rule. So given terms to develop a formula that represents a sequence, you will identify different types of sequence and series, and basically we have two. They are arithmetic and geometric. And finally, you will be able to compute partial and infinite sum for some sequence. And at the end of this unit, you will apply the knowledge of sequence and series in real life. I hope you will enjoy today's topic. So let's start by introducing the keywords. The first keyword is arithmetic sequence. We'll define and we'll do the formula, and we'll also do some examples. And after that, we'll do partial sums. So partial sum is a sum up to some number. We'll explain what a general term is for both sequences. We'll talk about a common ratio. A common ratio is a number that you get when you divide two or more numbers. We'll talk about two kinds of series, which are convergent series and divergent series. After this, we'll talk about infinite sequence and finite sequence. And after we do this, we'll talk about the terms of a sequence, series, and what a common difference is. And by the end of this topic, we'll also talk about a recursion formula, which will apply for decimals. Okay, so for this topic, we'll use both English and Amharic. So let's start by defining what a sequence is. This chapter or subtopic 1.1. So a sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. So a sequence ማለት ነው pattern ማለት ነው. Like for example, if I have this pattern 2 4 6 8 10 እያለ ከሄደ I see some pattern, and the pattern is በሁለት jump እያደረገ ነው የሚሄደው ማለት ነው. So sequence ማለት is an arranged pattern ማለት ነው. For example, if you have like the A line, example A line, you have 50, 47, 44, and 41. So the pattern is በሶስት እየቀነሰ ነው የሚሄደው ማለት ነው. So ለምንድን ነው ይሄ sequence የሚጠቅመን or what the objective? The objective is real life ላይ ብዙ አይነት pattern አለ. አሁን ለምሳሌ ዝናብ ሲዘንብ የሚዘንብበት ሚሊሜትር አማውንት ወይም የአንድ ካምፓኒ ያለን የፕሮፊት መጠን የሆነ ፓተርን ካለ ያንን ፓተርን አናላይዝ ለማድረግ we need to understand what a sequence and a series is ማለት ነው. So real life ላይ በጣም የሚጠቅመን ቶፒክ ነው እና ለዚህ ነው ይህን ቶፒክ በደንብ አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ያለብን ማለት ነው. So sequence ሲጀምር እያንዳንዶቹ ተርሞች they are labeled with A1, A2, A3 እስከ AN. So እነዚህ ምንድነው እያንዳንዶቹ ተርም ማለት ነው. For example, if you have 2, 4, 6, 8, እያንዳንዶቹ ተርም they are labeled by A1, A2, A3 እያለ ይቀጥላል ማለት ነው. ሌላ ነገር we have to understand is concept called general term. ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው? To find the nth term of a sequence የሚጠቅመን ኮንሴፕት ነው ማለት ነው. So nth term or general term ይባላል. So sequence ላይ ሁለት አይነት sequence አለ, finite and infinite. Obviously the difference is አንደኛው ያልቃል, ሁለተኛው ደግሞ አያልቅም ማለት ነው. For example 1 2 3 ያለ እስከ 100 ከሄደ this is finite. የማያልቅ ከሆነ ደግሞ እስከ infinity የሚሄድ ከሆነ we call it infinite sequence ማለት ነው. For example, let's look at example 1. So list the first 5 terms of each of the sequence whose general term are given below. So ቅድም እንደተባባለው general term አለ. In this case, example 1, A, the general term is AN is 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 ከሆነ በn ቦታ አንድ ስቀት it gives me 2 minus 1 which is 1. So the first term is 1. The second term is 2 times 2 minus 1 which is 4 minus 1 which is 3. So general term አለ. The value of n ስንቀት እያንዳንዱን ተርም እናገኛለን ማለት ነው. So this is an example that shows as a simple sequence with this general term. So mathematics ላይ ሁለት አይነት ተርሞች አሉ በተለይ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ከሆነ there is a sequence called Mulatto sequence and internationally ደግሞ Fibonacci who's an Italian. So Fibonacci is an Italian mathematician, Mulatto is an Ethiopian mathematician. So ሁለቱም they came up with their own sequence. So first let's look at the ፊቦናቺ ሲኩዌንስ ሶ እሱ ዲፋይን ያደረገው ምንድን ነው? ኤፍኤን ሚንስ the general term so n1 n0 n greater than 2 ደግሞ እያንዳንዶቹ ያሉ ቦታዎች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ሶ ለምሳሌ ሶ የፊቦናቺ ሲኩዌንስ ምን ብሎ ነው የሚጀምረው? n is equal to 0 n is equal to 1 እና n is equal to 2 or more ሲሆን ማለት ነው። ሶ እነዚህ ምንድናቸው? እያንዳንዶቹ ፕሌስ የምናደርጋቸው ቦታዎች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ሶ ቲንክ ኦፍ ኢት እዚህ ጋር በዜሮ ቦታ የሚገባው ተርም አለ፣ በአንድ ቦታ የሚገባው ተርም አለ፣ በሁለት ቦታ ተርም የሚገባው አለ ማለት ነው። ሶ ፊቦናቺ ሲሪስ ምንድነው? በአንድ ቦታ የሚገባው ተርም አንድ ከሆነ ማለት ነው። በዜሮኛው ተርም ላይ የሚገባው ተርም አንድ ከሆነ፣ በአንደኛው ቦታ ላይ የሚገባው ተርም አንድ ከሆነ ከዛ ምንድነው የሚለው የሚቀጥለው ተርም ለማግኘት የሁለቱን በፊት ያሉትን ተርሞች መደመር ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ እዚህ ጋር 1 + 1 is going to be 2 ማለት ነው። ሶ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ተርም ምንድነው የሚሆነው? 2 + 1 which is 3 የሚቀጥለው ተርም 2 + 3 which is 5 የሚቀጥለው ተርም 3 + 5 8 ሶ እያንዳንዱ የፕሪቪየስ ተርሞች ስንደምር it gives us a Fibonacci series ማለት ነው። የሙላቱ ሲሪስ the same concept ሆኖ ግን የመጀመሪያው ተርም it starts with 1 ሁለተኛው ተርም ደግሞ start with 4 ሁለተኛው ተርም በአንድ ይጀምራል። ሶ የሚቀጥሉት ተርሞች ለማግኘት የሁለቱም ፕሪቪየስ ተርሞች መደመር ነው ማለት ሶ 4 + 1 is 5 5 + 1 is 6 5 + 6 is 11 ከዛ እያለ ይቀጥላል ማለት ነው። ሶ እነዚህ ዩኒክ የሆኑ ሲኩዌንሶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ሶ የፊቦናቺ ሲኩዌንስ ቅድም እንዳየነው የመጀመሪያው ተርም አንድ ነው፣ ሁለተኛው ተርም አንድ፣ ሁለተኛው ቦታ ላይ የሚገባው 1 + 1 is 2 2 + 1 3 እያለ ቅድም የሰራውን ኤግዛምፕል እስከ 55 ሄድም ማለት ነው። ሶ እነዚህን ፖይንቶች ግራፍ ስናደርጋቸው it gives us this graph and this graph is called the Fibonacci sequence graph ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ቅድም እንደተባባለው sequence are divided by 2 the first one is called arithmetic sequence so arithmetic sequence ምን ማለት ነው? ሲኩዌንስ ሆኖ ግን እያንዳንዱ ሲኩዌንስ ዩኒክ የሚያደርገው there is a common difference አለው ማለት ነው። ሶ አንድ ነገር arithmetic sequence መሆኑ የምናውቀው ምንድነው? by looking at a common difference. So example is this. So the sequence starts with 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14. So if you look at it, the difference between 5 and 2 is 3, between 8 and 5 is 3. So common difference is 3. So common difference so ስለሆነ automatically this sequence become an arithmetic sequence ማለት ነው። So remember arithmetic sequence has a common difference. So as long as common difference ካለው አንድ sequence arithmetic sequence ይመጣል ማለት ነው። አሁን ከ14 ቀጥሎ ምንድነው የሚባለው ሲባል I will just add 3 + 14 which is 17 ከዛ 17 + 3 21 እያለ ይቀጥላል ማለት ነው። So common difference ካላቸው it's an arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic sequence ላይ ቅድም እንደተባባለው there is a common difference that is called D. In the previous example the common difference is 3. But to find the nth term, ቅድም እንዳየነው nth term, the general term, you just apply this formula. an equals to a1 plus n minus d, n minus 1 times d. an ማለት የምንፈልገው term number ነው። a1 is the first term, n is the nth term. አሁን መቶኛው term ከሆነ n is 100. ከዛ d ደግሞ is a common difference. Okay, for example, let's look at this sequence. So the sequence is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. So find the general term, or like somebody asked me what's the 10th term ከተባለ of course 10 ጊዜ መቁጠር ያስፈልገኝም. I will just apply this formula. The first term plus n minus d, n minus 1 times the common difference. So n of formula. So the first term is 1 plus n is 10 minus 1 times the common difference is 3. So n is 1 plus 9 times 3 which is 27. So this becomes 28. So መልሱ እንደዚህ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። Okay, Now, the second kind of sequence is called geometric sequence. So geometric sequence, arithmetic sequence, similar geometry, there's a common ratio. Remember, ratio means a quantity when two or more numbers are dividing, the number you get is a ratio. For example, the ratio between 9 and 3 is 9 over 3, which is 3, right? So under sequence, common ratio ካለው it becomes a geometric sequence. So this is the definition of a geometric sequence ማለት ነው. So if you look at R is defined by Gn plus 1 over Gn. R ለማግኘት የሚቀጥለው term divided by ከሱ በፊት ባለው term divide ብናደርግ we'll get the common ratio ማለት ነው. For example, you have 3, 6, 12 and 24. So if you look at, there's a common ratio which is 2, right? Because why 2? Because 6 divided by 3 is 2, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 24 divided by 12 is 2. So common ratio 2 ስለሆነ this becomes a geometric sequence. So for geometric sequence, there's a general formula. So the general formula is Gn is equal to the first term times the common ratio n minus 1. So we'll look at one example. So the question says find Gn when the first term is 3 and the common ratio is 2. So Ziga will start our given. So our given are the following. The first term is 3. So G1 is 3. And the common ratio is 2. So our required, and the question says find Gn, or the general term. So this is what we go about it. So the solution is this. The general formula is put like this: G1 times R times n minus 1. So the first term tanagronal, which is 3. The common ratio tanagronal, which is 2. Because we have n minus 1. So general term አገኘን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር if we are asked to find the tens term, or the required is find the tens term ከተባለ this is what we do. So the tens term, so this is the solution. So the tens term is አሁን ፎርሙላውን ስላየን G1 ምንድን ነው የምትሆነው? The first term is 3. The common ratio is 2. N is 10, right? 10 minus 1. ከዛ እዚህ ጋር ይቅርታ the tens term. So the tens term is ይሄ ማለት ነው። So 3 times 2 to the power 9 will give us the tens term ማለት ነው።